Now, how do you turn off the orange light on the iPhone camera? Let's explain that and let's get started. Now, if this is your first time on the Foxtecc YouTube channel, become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you're not going to miss anything important. So, the orange light might be different thing for different people. First of all, there might be the privacy indicator. So whenever you are using the camera or a microphone on your phone, you're going to get either the green or orange dot in the top of the screen. In my case, it's inside the dynamic island, and it's just informing me that some app has been using the microphone. So it's orange for the microphone and green for the camera. And this cannot really be turned off because it's like a feature for the privacy, so you always know what's going on. But a different thing which you might mean is the flash, either the front or rear facing one. So inside of the camera, you can of course go to the more options, and there is the flash option. And for instance, in the front facing camera, it's gonna like light up the whole screen with this sort of like white, yellowish, almost orange light, and it will, light it up to use it as a flash to light up the subject which you're capturing. So it can be done through the front-facing camera by lighting up the display, or we have the LED lights on the back next to the camera as well, which can be also used to light up, the subject or the scene. But the point is that you can always disable the flash. It doesn't have to be turned on, and that way you can turn off that kind of light if that's what you're interested in. So let me know if we managed to cover what your problem was. Hit the thumbs up if that's the case, but if not, leave a comment below. If there is something else I'm supposed to cover, I will gladly make more videos because I make so many tutorials. My mission is to help as many people as possible with their devices. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.